One other ruling that I want to touch on real quickly was the ruling involving gerrymandering. I thought the court went the wrong way. Here's something I noticed, William. The three liberal justices, they might as well be one because they walk as a block. But the so-called conservative Supreme Court, those 6 justices, they fracture and break and split apart all the time. That's not really a 6-3 conservative court. It's a 6-3 Supreme Court sometimes. Just sometimes, isn't it?
It's sometimes, but part of the reason for that is we tend to look at the court in a way where, hey, are they politically conservatively left or are they politically conservatively right? Within the realm of legal philosophical ways of interpreting the Constitution, it's much more complicated than that. And you've really got a battle among the conservatives sometimes over what does the Constitution say and how do we know what that word meant? Because we can't change the meaning of that word. And some of the conservatives are less inclined to stick with that originalism process of determining what a word means in the Constitution. But it's a big deal because, if we have a constitutional rule of law, the very limited role of the Supreme Court is to decide cases and controversies. Their job isn't to amend the Constitution. And that's
or
part
to
of the
write
battle
legislation. They're not there to legislate either, although many justices and judges as well in this country think that is their job.